Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Golden Labrador family. So this is the last unboxing that I've got left to do because I've had so many recently, because since March I started getting things on eBay and I found so many things that I wanted. So I did go a bit crazy with ordering lots of Sylvanians, and this is the last unboxing that I've got to do at the moment, which has cleared a massive space, which is really good because I had boxes everywhere. So now let's open them. So you can see that they were $15.99 at the time. I think I got them for £35. I can't even remember because this is one of the first things I ordered in March or maybe April. I just love the flare packaging. So pretty. And they are from 2010. So I also got the chocolate Labradors, and I think that the golden Labradors could probably live with them because Highfields farmhouse is quite big, so they could probably be in there too. So here they are, and we've also got a catalogue as well as information on the Collectors Club. Here is the catalogue. Jerry Barker is the tour guide of Sylvania. He takes visitors to all points of interest around Sylvania and regales them with information about buildings and their origins, historical events and old customs. And then we have Margot Barker, runs the well-organised tourist information office. The walls of Margot's office are full of posters and maps, and she has leaflets full of details about everything that is happening in Sylvania. This is Jocasta Barker. Unlike her brother, is full of energy, rushing hither and thither like a mad thing. Give her a ball and she will play for hours in the garden, even if there is no one else to play ball with. And then brother Tarquin Barker does everything at a sedate pace. He never runs or rushes around. If he could, he would spend all day, every day, reading a book in front of the warm open fire in the family front room. That sounds lovely. I love their outfits, because the mother and daughter both have fluffy cardigans. I love them. They're so cute. So I do already have the aunt and I think a cousin and a brother. So I have the other brother, Sonny, that came with the fish fryer set. And then I have the other cousin. This is Ron, and he came with one of the Sylvanian game sets. And then I also have the aunt Zoe Barker, and she comes with the grandstand and souvenir shop set, again with the Sylvanian games range. So I'm only missing the babies, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!